So here we got a 2014 Renegade coach that actually had gas heating. We left the gas heater in it, but we installed over-the-road hydronic heating system by nothing else, Aqua-Hot. So we installed a 450D here. When we took out, or I should say when we added the Aqua-Hot, we actually do not need a domestic water boiler system anymore, a water heater. So what we actually did is we installed, follow me now, come on, follow me. We installed, where the former water heater was, a custom door assembly with a pull-out shower system. So just like a deck on a boat, on a yacht. So it has a pull-out real shower system that actually pulls out from the side of the coach. You can go completely away from the coach, wash out a cooler, wash the dog, wash barbecue, wash dishes, wash your shoes off, whatever you wanted to, complete with a shower faucet system right here. So again, we are the integration specialists here, Master Tech, out of Elkhart, Indiana, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, renovation center.